Welcome back to SmartLink Basics, your go-to source for mastering Excel functions and boosting your productivity.
In today's tutorial, we're going to explore the aggregate function in Excel. The aggregate function is a versatile tool that allows you to perform various calculations on a range of data while offering the flexibility to ignore hidden rows, errors, or specific data types. With multiple functions embedded in it, the aggregate function can be used for a variety of purposes, such as summing, counting, averaging, and more. This function is particularly useful in situations where your data might include errors or when you need to summarize data that includes hidden rows. Let's dive in. Here's what each part of the aggregate function means. Function num, a number between 1 and 19 that specifies which calculation to perform, such as sum 9, average 1, or max 4. Each number corresponds to a different Excel function. Options, a number that determines which values to ignore in the calculation, such as hidden rows, error values, or both. 0, no values are ignored. 1, ignore hidden rows. 2, ignore error values. 3, ignore hidden rows and error values. Array, the range of cells on which to perform the calculation. K, optional. For functions that require a second argument, such as the large or small functions, this specifies the kth value to return. Let's start by setting up our data. Imagine you have a data set with sales figures that contain some errors, like div 0 or NA, and some hidden rows. You want to calculate the sum of the sales figures while ignoring both hidden rows and errors. To sum a range of values while ignoring errors and hidden rows, enter the formula displayed at the bottom of the screen in cell B1. Here's an explanation. Function num9 specifies the sum function. Options in 3 tells Excel to ignore both hidden rows and error values. Array A1, A10 is the range containing the sales figures, some of which have errors. Press Enter, and Excel will return the sum of all visible, error-free values in the specified range. Next, suppose you want to find the second largest sales figure in your dataset, but you want to exclude any errors. In cell C1, enter the formula displayed at the bottom of the screen. Here's an explanation. Function num. 14 specifies the large function. Options. 6 tells Excel to ignore error values. Array A1 to A10 is the range containing the sales figures. K2 specifies that you want the second largest value. Press Enter, and Excel will return the second largest value from the range, ignoring any errors. The aggregate function is incredibly versatile and can be used in various scenarios. Data cleaning. Use aggregate to perform calculations on datasets with errors or hidden rows without the need to manually clean the data. Dynamic reporting. Create reports that dynamically update when data is hidden or filtered, ensuring only visible and valid data is used in calculations. Advanced data analysis. Perform multiple types of calculations, such as finding averages, sums, or specific data points, e.g., second largest, in a single efficient function.
We hope this tutorial helps you master Excel. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, SmartLink Basics, for more tutorials and tips.